Hello, my friend. I'm going to show you a little bit about the friction circle here and some basics, right? So we obviously know here, right, of our long G axis, right, and our lat G axis. And we already know that this is acceleration and that this is braking. And these are right-hand turns that typically what I see here, it's getting everything of about 1.5 G, a little bit more here, and it's getting honest 1.5 G and a little more here. So it looks like the car is able to do about 1.7, but for braking it can only do 1.3, maybe 1.25, 1.2. As a general rule, the car should be able to, and in this case 1.5, 1.5, the car should be able to brake at 1.5. What generally happens in the data is that when a driver goes to brakes here, and when they're coming off the brakes to transition to maximum lateral load, the curve looks like this. This would be the outside unused potential of the tire here. So we see here that we're sort of like this. There's a couple dots here, but we want to be able to go around the outside. This is a very typical shape. A perfect shape would look like this as we blend coming off with the brake with turning the wheel. In this particular case, because we can get 1.5 lateral G's, this car or this driver should be able to do that with looking something like this. This right here, this area right here, this area right here, and this area right here is the area of the car that I would work on. There might be very large aero in this car, which could explain why you're getting higher values here, why there are higher values here and here than braking. So that might be car related, but almost always it is driver related. So basically this driver needs to decelerate harder and then blend coming off the brake and turning the wheel. And that is the essence of the friction circle. And if you'd like to know more about this, you can go to the intermediate page and start studying something called G-sum, which is a graph you can know more of and is beyond the beginner the beginner topics of the beginner page. I hope that was helpful. Thank you.